Which continent is known as the Dark Continent? It's Africa. Which is the largest freshwater lake in the world? Lake Superior. Which is the capital city of Australia? Canberra. Which African country is known as the Rainbow Nation? South Africa. The Great Barrier Reef is located off the coast of which country? Australia. Which is the longest river in the world? Nile River. Which European country is known as the land of fire and ice? Iceland. Which mountain range spans 7 countries in Europe? The Alps. Which is the largest rainforest in the world? Amazon rainforest. Which Asian country is the most populous in the world? India. Which city is known as the City of Love? Paris of France. In which country do you find the Taj Mahal? India. Which is the largest desert in the world? The Sahara Desert. Which country is the largest producer of coffee in the world? Brazil. Which is the smallest country in the world by land area? Vatican City. Which city is located on 2 continents? Istanbul. Which country is home to the longest fence in the world? Australia. Which country is the largest in terms of land area? Russia. Which is the capital of Spain? Barcelona. What is the currency of Japan? Yen. Which ocean is the largest by surface area? The Pacific Ocean. Which country is known as the land of rising sun? Japan. Which is the highest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. Which country is known for its tulips and windmills? The Netherlands. Which country is home to the Grand Canyon? The United States. Which is the largest city by population in the United States? New York City.